Hi, my name is Mani, and my topic is dreams. Dreams are basically stories and images that our mind creates while we sleep. Dreams can be vivid, they can make you feel happy, sad, or scared, and they can occur anytime during sleep, but most vivid dreams occur during deep sleep, which is called REM sleep, rapid eye movement sleep. Dreams have been observed in fetuses of 7 months, so dreams start as early as the fetal stage, and about 12% of people dream in black and white, and blind people can see images in dreams. So we're going to go over the 5 types of dreaming. So the first one is the normal dream. Um, so to begin, normal dreams are the ones that most people experience, and they occur in REM sleep, and they're used by the body for various reasons. Couple being to store memories into long-term memory, and to explore unconscious desires. Usually, about 95% of these dreams are forgotten by the time that you get out of bed. Next, we have the daydream. So daydreaming, I'm sure you guys all know what this is, but it's basically defined as the inattentiveness to stimuli for a short period of time, and it can be synonymous with the term zoning out. Most people view this as a negative time waster, as daydreaming has been connotated with inefficiency. Yet studies have shown that daydreaming allows the flow of creativity as one thinks of different events and situations and how they could pan out. Daydreaming happens so much that you might not even notice it, but about 1/3 to 1/2 of a person's day is spent by daydreaming. So moving on, we have the lucid dream, which is perhaps the most studied type of dream, and there's even been a movie created about lucid dreaming called Inception, as you can see up here, with the picture, in which people enter others' dreams and plant ideas while they're fully awake. While this isn't exactly the same concept as lucid dreaming, it shows how lucid dreaming occurs when one is in REM sleep, but they are aware of this, and they can thus control what they do in the dream. People have developed many books on the methods of being able to lucid dream. Some methods that are used are to like wake up in the morning and record like what you dreamed about. This way, you're aware of what is the difference between a dream and a real life event. So the next time you're in your dream, you will likely be able to like, distinguish between the two. Um, so additionally, people have also came up with medications you can take in order to increase the level of lucid dreaming. For example, acetylcholine and norepinephrine supplements are given to help this control. So norepinephrine helps you control your dreams and remain alert, while acetylcholine helps you access your memory bank. There was even a study done in 1975 by Dr. Keith Hearn, which revealed that those in a lucid dream can interact with the real world. In the experiment, Dr. Hearn and another man named Alan Worsley had agreed upon a pattern set of eye movement signals beforehand. And by moving his eyes inside the dream, Alan Worsley was able to communicate with Hearn in the outside world while he was lucid dreaming. This experiment unlocked many of the implications of lucid dreaming and the sheer extent of its power, as one who's able to sleep is one who's able to be asleep is able to communicate with someone who's awake. Next up, we have the nightmare. So the nightmare is essentially a variation of the normal dream. However, it is caused by stress, anxiety, and other environmental factors as the body attempts to relieve pressure on the mind. For example, oftentimes many people have dreams about phobias as the body tries to, deal with it. And the frequency of nightmares can be altered by drug and alcohol use. Last up, we have the false awakening. So this is called, it can be either called the false awakening or a false awakening loop. And this is defined as when your body thinks it's awake, but you're in reality dreaming. And after false awakening, subjects often think that dream that they're performing daily morning rituals, such as showering, cooking, cleaning, etc., when they're actually asleep. And this often happens when someone is looking forward to something like a big event in the next day, and this excitement puts them into the false awakening loop. that's gonna be all. I hope you guys learned something about dreaming and the 5 different types. Thank you for listening.